This video was a request by Titan Duo.
Kids, come downstairs.
Yes, Mom.
You kids have to go to school today.
Oh, okay then.
Okay, everyone go and get in the car. And classic Caillou. If you misbehave, you will be grounded.
Okay.
Good, now everyone. Come on.
Okay, kids. Have a nice day.
And classic Caillou, you better do nothing bad. If you do, then you will be grounded. Understand?
Fine.
Good, you kids have a nice day.
Well, I'm ahead to class.
Me too.
Oh well, I better get in there. Well, I better get to class. Wait a minute. I have an idea. I'ma pull down the fire alarm so I won't have to go to class. Ha 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 ha. Okay, time to make my escape.
Uh-oh, it's the fire alarm. Quick, everyone get into a single file line and walk out of the school.
Oh no, it sounds like the fire alarm is going off. I better check the cameras to find and locate fires. Wait, is that a kid pulling down the fire alarm? I better go tell the principal.
Okay, so I looked around the school, but there is no fire, so it's most likely a false alarm. What? Okay, who pulled the fire alarm?
Hey, Principal Jefferson, there's something you need to see of the cameras.
Oh, well, let me see it. Classic Caillou, get over here right now.
What's wrong?
Classic Caillou, why on earth would you pull the fire alarm? It's not a toy. That's it, you're expelled, go home now.
Wah, wah wah wah, wah wah wah, wah.
So, I got a call from your school. They said you pulled down the fire alarm. Is this true? Don't lie.
Yes, it's true. I only did it so I can get out of school. I'm sorry.
Classic Caillou, I can't not believe you pulled down the fire alarm. You know the fire alarm is only able to be used in case of a fire. That's so freaking it. You're grounded until I find a school that will enroll you. Get your ass to your room right now.
Wah 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 wah.